Imagine gliding through the streets in a masterpiece of British engineering, blending hand-stitched luxury, cutting-edge tech, and roaring power. This isn't a fantasy. It's the 2026 Bentley. And today on Prime Luxury Autos, we dive deep into everything you need to know about this automotive jewel. Welcome to Prime Luxury Autos, your ultimate destination for elite car insights. Now, let's embark on a journey into the extraordinary. From the moment the 2026 Bentley appears in your rearview, its commanding presence is palpable. The iconic matrix grille dominates the front, flanked by adaptive quad LED headlamps. Sculpted muscular fenders and flowing body lines hint at both elegance and aggression. The optional two-tone paint schemes, reminiscent of bespoke couture, accentuate its bespoke character. Even the signature Flying Bee mascot, now illuminated and retractable, announces your arrival in theatrical style. Slide open the doors, and you're greeted by a sanctuary of handcrafted luxury. Every surface is clad in the finest hides, ethically sourced and painstakingly stitched by master artisans. Open-pore wood veneers, diamond-quilted leather seats, and sleek metal accents coalesce into a harmonious cabin. Rear seat occupants enjoy executive-style reclining chairs, massage functionality, and a dedicated infotainment cluster. Ambient lighting is fully customizable, offering hundreds of hues to match your mood. Under the hood lies Bentley's latest performance heart, a twin-turbocharged W12 engine delivering over 650 horsepower and 700 Nm of torque. Paired with an advanced 8-speed dual-clutch transmission and all-wheel drive, the car rockets from 0 to 100 km per hour 62 miles per hour in just about 3.5 seconds. What's more, Bentley's active torque vectoring and adaptive air suspension keep it poised on curves while isolating you from road imperfections. An available hybrid variant blends a supercharged V8 with an electric motor, offering better efficiency without sacrificing that honeyed character Bentleys are known for. Expect a pure electric cruising range suitable for urban runs and silent starts. Tech in the 2026 Bentley is seamlessly woven into every aspect. The curved OLED center touchscreen presents navigation, climate, and media controls with intuitive ease. Face recognition unlocks your preset seating, lighting, and infotainment preferences. Rear seat occupants enjoy dual touchscreens, streaming, and wireless charging pets. On the safety front, adaptive cruise control, night vision, 360 degrees cameras, and semi-autonomous driving capabilities come standard, keeping you confident on every mile. Behind the wheel, the 2026 Bentley feels like a grand tourer with a secret wild side. In comfort mode, it flows over highway imperfections with serenity. Flip to Sport or Bentley Dynamic mode, and the suspension firms, the engine growls, and the steering sharpens. Yet even at its most aggressive, there's never a hint of nervousness, just composed authority and luxe serenity. The 2026 Bentley stands as a testament to what ultra-luxury should be: rare, powerful, thoughtful, and immersed in craftsmanship. It doesn't shout for attention, it demands it. If you love this deep dive, smash that like, subscribe to Prime Luxury Autos, and ring the bell so you never miss a future review. Let me know in the comments which feature of the 2026 Bentley excites you most. Was it the W12 roar, the hand-stitched cabin, or face recognition customization? Until next time, I'm with Prime Luxury Autos, driving you into luxury's next frontier.